So, come on. So, pretty much, I'm teaching you about lifespan of the Earth, how old the Earth is, pretty much the events that happen within the Earth to make it what it is today, or whatever. You know, the history of the Earth. So, I'm using time, but also I'm using the rate at which the water fills up the tub. So pretty much, when it hits life is at the top of that.
That's mankind?
Yeah, no, that's not mankind. That's actually just the first cell. That was only 540 million years ago. So obviously it's taking a long time. I didn't even turn the water all the way up because this is what I wanted. Because you know it took a long time for life to actually come upon Earth. Like it wasn't just like snap, life. So pretty much that's gonna fill up, and then it's gonna go. So where the dinosaurs were.
Okay.
So that's when the first, you'll see dinosaurs two times. It's like dinosaur S and a dinosaur F. From the beginning of Earth to life, would you say that's a long time or a short period of time? Given that it's taking a long time.
Yeah, it's a long time.
Pretty much, I showed you about dinosaurs and everything. We still haven't reached life yet.
Yeah.
But I do have it to where, nah, it's just going in there. So pretty much, I told you about dinosaurs start to finish, but right above the dinosaurs is where, you know, fire was created or whatever.
Yeah.
So pretty much, right above fire, and then right above that is the Stone Age, when, like, you can say, it's just the Stone Age.
Oh, okay.
That's like when the first tool was created, the rock tool, all that, you know, the wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then right above that is the modern era. Now, saying the modern era, me saying modern era, I'm not talking about today.
Oh,
No.
okay.
See, but you see how close it is from the. We're gonna get the top of the thing. I didn't write it, but we're just gonna say. I mean, obviously we don't want the tub to overflow, but right here is now. Like this is where we are now. So from the modern era to now, would you say that's a long period of time or a short period of time, given that it's like right there?
As in, what do you mean by the modern era?
Modern era, as in, that's when like civilization started. That's when like mankind actually, you know, started making cities and everything.
Yeah, yeah. I can say that's a long time.
You sure? Given that, given
As
how
in,
much water it takes to get from right here to right here.
Yeah, as in like I said, I give it a long time because, you know, now until you just said when mankind, when people just started living,
but what I'm
electricity
saying,
and stuff like that.
I feel you, but what I'm saying is like, given that the Earth was made 4.6 billion years ago, and this is 4.6 billion years ago, and this is where the modern age was. Like, so keep in mind that we're still talking about the whole Earth's history. Would you say that that's a short amount of time from now or a long amount of time? Given that we're still talking about the Earth span, like this is how old the Earth is, this is modern era, and this is where we are. Would you say that's a short amount of time or a long amount of time?
I say it's long. It's long, right?
It's not long.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
The modern era is right here, and the start of the Earth is right here. Well, we'll say start of the universe. Well, start of the Earth, pretty much.
Okay.
Is right here. Would you say that it was a short period of time or a long period of time from the modern era? From right here where we are.
Short.
Short. And what about the dinosaurs finish from right now? Given that, you know, the Earth is 4.6 billion years old.
Short.
From the dinosaurs start to the dinosaurs extinction, you can say in between then, it took 180 million years. It was 250,000 years ago that the Stone Age started, right? And for modern civilization, it was 5,000.
Okay.
Alright? So I'm just, giving you facts while we're going through, still waiting for the water to reach the checkpoints. But now, as you can see, we're reaching the dinosaur checkpoint. I feel like the water is going slow enough to actually give, sort of good example, tactical example, step by step. Now we're reaching the part where the dinosaurs become extinct. And the dinosaurs become extinct in the beginning of the earth. Would you say that's a long period of time or a short period of time?
Long.
So you would say it was a long period of time? All right.
Because how long? I say it's long because the way you explained it about how long the earth was developed, that's the reason why I say long.
And you gotta see, from when the water started to all the way up to life, there was nothing. Like legitimately nothing. But fire being created was 1.6 million years ago from now. So would you say that was a long time from when the earth was created, or would you say it was a short time? Given that the earth had to be created, life had to form and everything.
I say that's a long time.
What about from now? Like from here to fire being created? Would you say that's a long time or a short time?
That's short.
So given that I don't want to flood everything, I'm pretty sure I explained everything, but we're gonna end the video here. I feel like you understand